Hello all, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In today's demo we will show you how to print QR code in your invoice. So before getting started, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel so that you receive all our latest updates and videos related to Ultimate POS and all our other products. So here I have opened the demo URL and here I will log in with a super admin credential. You can log in with any credential and that will be fine. After login, I will just go to the POS screen and I will print a demo invoice for you. So here I am adding a product and I will click on this cash button. After clicking on this cash button, you can see like it's showing a invoice preview over here, and in this invoice preview we don't have a QR code. To bring the QR code we have to go to our settings. Inside settings we have invoice settings. Inside invoice settings we have this invoice layout. So from this invoice layout you can control all the different layouts related to your invoice. So I will scroll down to the bottom and here we have the QR code section. So I will enable this option, show QR code, and here I have to check all the options which values I want to show in my QR code. So I am selecting all these options over here, but based on your requirement you can check or uncheck any of these options from here. After selecting all this, I will just click on this update button and I will go to the POS screen once again and I will add a new product to my POS screen and I will click on this cash button. After clicking on this cash button, you will see an invoice preview once again, and in this invoice preview you can see it is showing a QR code over here. So I will just quickly save this invoice in PDF format and I will go to this invoice and I will just take a snapshot of this QR code. I will scroll down and take a snapshot of this QR code so that I can scan this QR code and view what all informations are present in this QR code. I will take a snapshot of this QR code and save it. Then again I will go to this website which provides a tool to scan the QR code from images. I will choose the file and I will click on this OK button. So here you can see it is showing me all the information: the business name, address, the tax number, the invoice number, date, subtotal, total, and all these informations are shown over here. Also it is showing a URL for the invoice. So if I will go to this URL, it will show the invoice to me. So from this invoice layout you can here it is showing all the informations, but if suppose I want to disable some of the informations or I don't want to show some of the informations, then in that case I can uncheck the options from here and save it. Based on the options which we have checked, all this will be printed in our QR code. So that's all in this video, and I hope this feature is really very useful for many of the different countries, because as of government specification they need to have a QR code in the invoice, and also you can easily scan this QR code from your mobile phone. So if suppose I want to scan this QR code, if you are using any smartphone, you can easily scan the QR code from your smartphone. So you can easily scan this QR code from your smartphone and it will display all the information in your smartphone as well. So that's all in this video. I hope you really find it very useful.